everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Making a Difference in Mental Health. I'm Danielle.
I'm Wendy.
Wendy, we are celebrating season 5. And what better way to celebrate the season than in the community?
Absolutely. Today we are at Duval High School celebrating their Community Resource and Wellness Day. So we're here with a bunch of vendors to share information to the students that attend Duval as well as any community members to inform them about health and wellness. So we're very excited to be here. There's DJ, there's food, there's vendors.
Yes, stay tuned, watch the footage, and then come back because we're going to reflect on what we had today. Hi, everyone. We are back in the studio. We hope that you enjoy the footage from Duval High School's Community Resource and Wellness Day.
Yes, it was a great time to be, of course, in the community, to be in a school, a high school. It's always good to be in a middle school, elementary school, any school, because you get to see the community up close and personal. We were able to network, we were able to provide resources. Teens came through with their parents, their friends, shared some resources, played some games, had some music. Ate some candy.
Yeah.
So it was really cool. Popcorn to see. And then I also had the ability to talk with the CEO and co-founder of the Prosper app. And the Prosper app is an app that was designed specifically for young teens, teenagers, young adults to get online or get on the app and search for mental health tips, resources, and even therapists, even join chat rooms. It's a very supportive app that helps teenagers get the support around mental health. And so a big shout out to Lindsay Gray, who was the coordinator of this event at Duval High School.
Yes. So I want to kind of piggyback off of what you said. The Prosper app is such a cool thing. It provides psychoeducation, community for our young teens and, even into young adulthood. I really like the fact that there's access and it's positive.
It's a positive app. We need that now in the day and age of social media.
Yes.
But anyway, it was a great day. We look forward to joining Duval community again in the springtime during Mental Health Awareness Month. And that's pretty much it for our event.
That's it for this event, but that is not it. We are in season 5. So we are excited. There's so much in store for season 5. But for now, I'm Danielle.
I'm Wendy.
This is Making a Difference in Mental Health, where we're always striving to make a difference in mental health. This is season 5. We'll see you next time.